ClickOnCare.com.
Hello everyone, today I'm going to present Lite Daily Skin Whitening Cream. It has SPF value of 16. It is prepared with extracts of papaya and other skin whitening actives. It helps to remove the blemishes effectively. It cleans the skin and the cuticle. It also gives a flawless and vibrant skin. It prevents the rough skin formation, which is caused by dead comb layer, and cleanses the blackheads also. It removes the dirt from deep layer of the skin and also protects the skin from harmful UVA and UVB rays. And now I'll tell you how you will use this cream. Just apply moderately 15 to 20 minutes before you go out in the sun, and pat gently. This cream is marketed by MRHM and it contains 50 gram.
ClickOnCare.com, the largest online cosmeceutical, dermacare and nutrition store. Now on Android and